If you want to activate eSIM on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all we need to open Settings. Now in Settings we're gonna proceed to the mobile network, and then in here you want to go to SIM and eSIM settings. Now here you can tap on Add eSIM and you should be able to use the Add button in order to deactivate SIM number 2, so you can use eSIM instead. In my case I'm just gonna tap on Setup and eSIM, and you should be able to open the rear camera and scan the QR code that you should have received from an operator or carrier or service provider. After that we're gonna tap on Set Up, and then in addition to that you might need to select the default SIM for mobile data, and of course we can jump to settings afterwards. Now we're gonna go back to SIM and eSIM settings, and in here you can turn on your eSIM just like that. We need to enable it, of course, in order to be able to use it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.